Hello students, welcome to in 5 minutes. We'll start with now problems on line integral. So let's define this as type 1 line integral. So my first problem is we need to evaluate integration f bar dot dr bar under the closed integral where f bar is yzi plus zxj plus xyk bar and c is a portion of the curve. The curve is given, that is r bar equal to a cos t I, b sin t j and c t k from t equal to 0 to t equal to pi by 4. If we see r bar, you can easily understand that they are nothing but parametric equation. So what I need to do, I need to compare. So I say compare r bar, that is xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar with r bar is equal to a cos t I bar plus b sin t j bar and plus c t k bar. So when you compare this, what you can get, that is x is a cos t, y is b sin t and z is ct. So I got x, y and z. So starting with integration, that is integration f bar dot dr bar, that is equal to, when we do f bar dot dr bar, I just have to see, we know that since when we talk dr bar, that is dxi plus dyj and plus dzk. So after doing f bar dr, I get yz dx plus zx dy and plus xy dz. So I got this. Now after this, what I need to do, I need to substitute. See, I have got values of x, y and z. So further what I can say, from here only I just write it here. When you say dx, that I get as minus a sin t dt. So that's my dx. When you say dy, so dy is b cos t dt. And when I say dz, so dz is, when you talk about dz, so I get c dt. So I got all the things, we just need to substitute here. So after substituting, that is integration f bar dot dr bar, I get as y is, let's substitute, y is b sin t and z is ct. So I just write here, and dx I got as minus a sin t dt. So I got this. After that, plus, when I substitute z, x and dy, z is ct. Then I substitute z is ct, x is a cos t. So I just write here a cos t. And then after this, I need to multiply by dy. So I got dy, that is b cos t and that is dt. The last is plus x, that is a cos t and y, so y is b sin t, so ab cos t sin t, that multiplies with dz. So dz is given by c dt. Now once I got this, it has given that my integration t changes from 0 to pi by 4. We need to integrate the student. So you can see here ABC, ABC and ABC, they are the constant which we can take it outside. So I just mentioned that. So now after taking constant outside, that will be ABC integration 0 to pi by 4. The first term will be, once I solve this properly, I get ABC, I take it outside, so t minus t sin square t, I can write as minus t sin square t, that's my first term, dt.